everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. Hey there, how you guys doing today? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Bitcoin and Coffee. I'll be your host, Eugene Forrest. So, what are we looking at today with these crazy cryptocurrency markets? Well, there's a little bit of relief. Oh, I know. I woke up this morning. As always, the early bird gets the worm, so I was up nice and early before the sun was up. I was sitting there going about my business, drinking my cup of coffee, checking on the news, trying to put this little bit of a show and news together for you guys. And I mean, wouldn't you believe it? The price of Bitcoin shot up. I mean, I woke up and it was 6.8 as of standard of lately, and then it was 7.5, 7.7, up 13%. Awesome. We got a market cap coming in at $300 billion. That's another amazing plus right there. And we got about 21.6 billion traded in the last 24 hours. Woo, that's nice. And we got a BTC dominance that's still hanging in there at 43.8%. I mean, that's great, right? We're not really losing any there. This isn't a major altcoin pump. It seems like the market is all up together. Like I said, we got Bitcoin at 7.7. We got Ethereum coming in on the other side of $450. That is quite nice because a lot of people have their portfolio diversified, and Ethereum is one of the next main holders besides Bitcoin, coming in at $467. That's a 12.5% gain. We got Ripple coming in at 55 cents. That's an 11.8% gain. We got Bitcoin Cash even making gains here, coming in at $723. That's up 11.6%. Litecoin struggling a little bit with some of the gains, but hey, they're up 8%. I think this will continue across the day till they, come up with everybody else. $123. We got Steam and Steam Back Dollar making some nice gains here, coming in at $2.38 and $2.18. That's a 27% gain and a 13% gain. Told you that stuff was undervalued. So let me see. What are we looking at here on Bitcoin and Coffee? Well, I mean, right now the price is the most majorest thing going on. It's nice to have it pump up like this. I mean, a lot of people were starting to get down in the dumps. They were feeling bad about the situation. They were thinking that cryptocurrency wasn't going to go anywhere. According to the last Tone Bay's analysis, I think I had heard, he was saying that we had to hit 7.5 or else we weren't going to see any bullish movement, and we could be dropping down to like 5 and then 1.5 or something crazy like that. And as always, I was buckling in, getting ready to hodl, hoping that it didn't go lower with my fingers crossed. But as always, I wasn't going to sell. I wasn't going to bail out of the market, but I was getting prepared for it. So when I seen it hit 7.5, it was like, yes, a little bit of relief. We've been having to hold strong. Seems like the trenches have not been letting up. But all good things have to come to fruition at some point in time. It seems like the news has been very positive about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency lately. Like I had said, the sentiment that I had been feeling behind a lot of other YouTubers and through the emails and the communique that I usually have on a daily basis, a lot of people were expecting Bitcoin price to be coming up, and lo and behold, here we are. The Bitcoin price is coming up. Do I have a reason behind it? No, not at the moment. Does it really matter? No. Do I think Bitcoin's always undervalued? Yes. In hindsight, 2020, yes, we'll have a reason for why it is. Could we be speculating that, big investors are buying in, due to the end of the tax season, or that it's more of a buy the rumor, sell the news, and everyone said that the price would be pumping up here at the end of April, beginning of May, so they're trying to hurry up and jump the gun and buy in now. Who knows, we just got to take the good with the bad, and today is a day of good. So, besides that, we got Telegram. They raised $1.7 billion according to the SEC from 2 personal private sales. They're calling it a security. So they're going to go ahead and say that they're not going to be doing an ICO on it. What does this really mean? It means another major company went ahead and fundraised some more money so they can go ahead and put out some blockchain that's probably going to be useless because it's going to be centralized and, it'll have some value. We'll probably get a chance to get in on the coin or whatever, it's going to be, when it comes to some sort of an exchange or whatever it is. But at the moment, the ICO that everybody had kind of been looking forward is no longer going to be happening. I guess $1.7 billion they're saying is going to be enough to start up this project that they're looking to do. So let me see. What else do I got besides that on news? Well, I mean, we're looking at some of these altcoins really pumping up here, and then sometimes we can see that it's stuff like the development of the project, like we're seeing with EOS, and sometimes we can see that it's just added to an exchange, like we're looking at today with Mithril being added to BitHum. So they went ahead and took a 132% increase because of this. You can see that the price, increased this much in a matter of 2 hours. That was about 6 a.m. this morning when I woke up. And now they're all of a sudden at an 87th ranking out of the top 100, coming in at 47 cents, 50 cents. It's too late. Don't go jump in. Not that I'm your financial advisor or anything like that, but usually you want to buy in before these pumps. And then we're looking at something like EOS that's been on a straight run upwards, it seems like, for the last week, which is based on a situation of needing to get these tokens and register them. I got a link down below if you own any of those EOS tokens. I'm not really into all of that, but if you own any of them, there's a link down below to help show you, how to go ahead and register them with your Exodus wallet. Personally, I haven't done it. If you really need me to go out and buy a couple and register them to help show you through it, I can do that. But I think Crypto did a video yesterday on it that was amazing. So check that out if you're having some trouble and need to see it, because sometimes seeing it helps a lot better than reading it. I've been there quite a bit myself. So as always, you can't just, assume anything when it comes to cryptocurrency. You got to get behind some fundamentalism and stick with it. So as always, if you like everything that's going on here on Bitcoin and Coffee, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, because these numbers are slowly trickling upwards, and that's a plus. As always, I'm on Steam. Come on over there, upvote my post, comment below, and I'll upvote your comment. It's one of the best things I can do to try to help you guys out collecting Steam, getting Steam. Go ahead and exchange it for Bitcoin or what other cryptocurrency you're into. If you're a content creator, you got to get on there. Also, mines, hey, it's been working out all right. I'm still collecting whatever these beta tokens are they got over there. Not worth anything yet, but hey, you never know what happens down the road. Always better to be a first adopter, right? That's why we're in crypto. As always, I got tools, links, all of that good stuff below. My email address, best tool I got for you, it's eugeneforrest20@gmail.com. Shoot me that email. Let me know what's going on with you. As always, you guys, I got those donational addresses down below if you got any of that extra crypto. Totally unfunded here. I do this because I love you guys and because I want to see crypto do amazing things in the future, and also change and revolutionize my family and how we view life, because we'll be able to spend more time with each other, and hopefully it'll happen to you guys as well. So keep your Bitcoin safe.